Alright, hey family, welcome back to the channel. It is the same day. I just took my sweater off and put on a t-shirt because it is really warm here today and it is warm in the house, and then we're gonna have the oven going for the cookies. So I changed. I got Atlas out of his PJs. I just posted my last video for you guys. Same day. I have been rocking things, trying to get everything pushed out and get it done. But for tonight's dinner, we were gonna do crock pot barbecue chicken wings, but Dee decided to smoke those instead. So I'm gonna get those seasoned. I'm just gonna use some pepper and this Traeger's chicken rub. And then I totally forgot that I bought these little Christmas pastas. I've got Santa, so we've got Santa and presents and stuff, and snowman pastas. So I think we'll stick on the snowman theme today. If you saw the last videos, you saw that we made a really cute snowman breakfast. Super cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this for dinner, and I'm gonna make it kind of like a bacon ranch pasta. So yeah, let me get these seasoned so we can get them onto the smoker. I'm gonna go ahead and get the water boiling for our pasta, just so I could let it cool down and so I can get everything mixed in and put it in the fridge. These are really cute. So we've got snowflakes, snowman. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the pasta salad-ish, I guess it's a pasta salad, together. I added a small can of these sweet peas, drained and rinsed. I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of the ranch powder mix. I have half a tablespoon, so I'm gonna put 4 of these. Then I've got this Mexican cheese, so that's what I'm gonna use. Probably about a cup. I'm gonna add some bacon. I'm gonna mix this around before I add the mayonnaise, so just so I can get everything kind of mixed. I probably should have done this in a bigger bowl, but we'll be alright. So it'll be a Christmas pasta salad with summer flavors. So I'm gonna start with maybe half a cup of mayonnaise. They're Christmas noodles, and Christmas calories don't count.
Yes, no, yes.
It looks like a good amount to me, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get this covered and sit it in the fridge until dinner time. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get started on our gingerbread man. Kind of a later start than I would have liked, but it is okay. So we're just gonna be using the package Betty Crocker again. So we've got 1 stick of butter, which I did not think about ahead of time, but a friend of mine shared this little hack on Facebook. We did the hot water in the glass, dumped it out and put it over the butter, and it seems to be working out pretty well. So I'm just gonna let that sit for a little bit more. I've got my eggs and just a tablespoon of water. So we'll get that mixed and cut out. So we've got our cookie cutters and then a few extras. Of course, we've got our Mickey head.
Yeah, of course.
Alrighty, so we'll go ahead and get all that mixed up and spread out so we can start cutting out some cookies. Alright, so we've got our mix and no special instructions for cutout cookies. So we're gonna add our 1 stick of butter, softened, not melted, 1 tablespoon of water, and 1 egg.
Agua.
Alright, it doesn't say to cut the butter or anything, but I'm gonna slice it up just a little bit. So I think it'll be easier to mix. Okay, and then it just says to stir all this until it's well blended. I love gingerbread cookies. What are your favorite Christmas cookies? I also really like the like mint chocolate chip, which I actually bought some of the little Andes mints, like baking bits. So maybe I'll make those on Christmas Day or something. So we're gonna have a lot. I think last year we ended up just doing this with our hands because it never really came together. Alrighty, so let's get this rolled out. I'm trying to hold the paper and roll because it's moving. Alright, so the dough is pretty sticky, and it says on the package if it is too sticky to cover it and put it in the fridge for 15 minutes. So I'm gonna do that. Alright, so we're gonna let this sit for a bit and we'll go ahead and start on the sugar cookies instead. So since we can't work with the gingerbread yet, we're gonna go ahead and start on the sugar cookie, and we're gonna use this mix that we got from Sam's a little bit ago. So I got my 1 bag of cookie mix, and it says for cutout cookies, add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. 1 egg, and 1/3 cup of butter melted. I'm gonna go ahead and get this on the floured surface just because it'll be a lot easier to work with. Alrighty, first batch going in the oven. We just pulled our first batch out of the oven. Our little nutcracker is really thin and crispy, but all the other ones are looking pretty good. I'm excited. Alrighty, so our second batch of sugar cookies are in the oven, and I just pulled this gingerbread out of the fridge, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to roll it and see if we have some better luck. Look at Mickey. Put the Mickey down. And push it. Push it. Alright, good job. Oh, put that into Mickey. Was it this one? Okay, push it. Push it down. Alright. You're so good. You put the teddy bear?
Yeah.
Look, right here. Push the bear down, look.
Smokes.
Push the bear down.
Hey, Michigan. I'm gonna put that. Wait, is this upside down? No.
There is our first batch of the gingerbread cookies. We've got the second one in the oven, and then we'll go ahead and let these cool down, have some dinner, and then we'll decorate. We have to now clean up our mess. The part nobody likes. Cookies were done just in time. Our chicken just came off of the smoker. So we got our chicken, Caesar salad, and the pasta salad that I made earlier. I did add a little bit more mayo, just about a tablespoon, because it does dry out a little bit when it's cooling. But yeah, gonna go ahead and eat. Mr. Atlas is calling for some food, so we're gonna eat and then decorate after.
The forecast ain't clear, so will you please light my way and lead this old man's sleigh? I said, Rudolph, my friend, once more will you lend your red nose, or heaven knows how this sleigh ride will end. My man, you're the only one who can save the day. Say yea or nay. Now will you pull my sleigh? My boy, now don't you act so coy. Let us go and fill all the little children's hearts with joy. Rudolph, my dear, you know the forecast ain't clear.
Alright guys, so you guys just saw all of our decorated cookies. I think everybody did a really great job. Atlas even decorated his first cookie and he had tons of fun. Then he tried to knock everything down and now we're throwing a fit. He's ready for bed. So we're gonna go ahead and close out this video, get Mr. Atlas to sleep. We've got another long day ahead of us tomorrow. So I hope everybody had a great Christmas, because by the time you see this, Christmas will be over. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like the video, and if you are new, don't forget to please subscribe and join our YouTube family. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.